In the last video, we have learned about data binding. In this video, we are going to learn how to add two numbers with the help of data binding. So let's start. Open that app component.html. First, we will design that. We are going to add two text box and one button. Just like a input type. That will be the text. And here I am going to use two-way data binding. So that is a banana in the box, NZ model. That will be the first number. Okay. We are going to write one label, that is a first number, break, then just copy this one and add a break. This one will be the second number. That will be the second number. Now I'm going to create one button. First it will display the result. I am going to use that interpolation. That is a one-way data binding. That is write that result make it bold here. Now we are going to create one button. Break. Your sum is button. This one is that event binding, that is a click, add number. Okay, add number. Going to call this. Now open the app component.ts. Here going to write one method. First we'll create one variable, that is a first number, that will be the string. Second number, that also it will be the string. The third number, that is a result, it will be the number. Now in the add number, we are going to add two numbers. This dot result equal to, so going to use that parse int, that will be this dot first number plus this dot parse int this dot second number. As you know that once you are going to use that NZ model, this one, then you have to import that forms module. Go to the app module.ts, import here the import forms module from @angular/forms module. Here you can write forms module. Now import this forms module here in the import. Okay, now it's done. So you have created two text box. So first one is that first number, then second number, then here it will return the result. Then one button I have created, that I have added event binding, that is a click, and then one method, that is a add number. Now run the application and serve -- open. Now here you can see that first number and second number. Now add 120 254. Press add number. Now you can see the result. Again, if you make it 52 and 58, now you can see the result. So one more way we can do that one. If I don't want to use that NZ model, so then you can use that reference variable. Just how to use reference variable, that this hash. Here I'm going to do first number and this one for second number. Hash second number. Okay. So here I'm going to pass that in the method first number dot value and then second number dot value. Okay. So going to call here first, it will be the string, then also second, then also it will be the string. So copy this one, we need to call here, then second to call here. Okay, save it. Now check. Now here again, if you enter 12 and 23 and press the add number. Oh, there is some problem. Oh, we didn't save it, just save it, both of them. Open the browser, add here 2, 3, 5, 42, 23, 65, 100, 200, that it will be 300. So I'm just passing that one. I've created that one method and I'm passing that reference value. This one is the reference variable. So I am getting the reference variable, that value, and then again second number, that is a reference variable dot value. This two value I'm passing into app component.ts with the help of a method, that is add number. Then first and second I am trying to add here. That is the first, and now we are getting the result. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.